there is my house, and here is the house I'm cleaning. I don't know if you can really see how dirty the roof is, but because there's a huge shadow in the way, but it's pretty dirty. Let me get up in here and show you guys. That is pretty dirty. And luckily I'll be able to hit most of this from the ground. Right there. It's maybe the only spot I need a ladder, but the rest of this roof I'll be able to hit from, like I said, from the ground. So I'm gonna be using that Ryobi soap nozzle I bought. Puts out a lot of soap along with the SH. So all right guys, I'm gonna try to do a time lapse of this. Just gonna show you guys my process. Made up, only made 13 gallons. Shouldn't take a lot for this job. Got my hose pulled out. I wish that shadow wasn't there so I can see a little bit better of what I'm cleaning. I'm guessing you can see that pretty well. I got my gun set up. Got my soap nozzle on there. Ready to rock and roll. So I'm about to set up my camera. I'm going to do a, what's it called? Time lapse for this job. So, all right guys, enjoy. I'll show you what it looks like when I finish. Gonna clean this driveway. Really dirty. Clean this little walkway here, this sidewalk, this brick, and then I don't know if you can see the bird's nest and stuff in here. To get all that out, and then all the bird poop. It's pretty bad. I'm gonna throw about a 2% batch on here to pre-treat. Let that sit about 20 minutes. They didn't want to get the sidewalk done for whatever reason. Just the driveway, that little sidewalk there, and then front porch. All right guys, I'm gonna do a time lapse on this one as well. Guys, that's a wrap. 2 medium-sized jobs. Finished in about 3.5 hours. It's 11:30. I started at 8, so that's a nice short day. I'm gonna run by that roof wash job I did this morning, which is my neighbor, and take some after pictures. So I'll post some before and afters of the roof wash as well as the driveway, front porch, and sidewalk that I just cleaned. So not a bad day. Pretty good day. Those weren't too high ticket of jobs, but not bad for 3.5 hours. So I'm gonna do a little maintenance on my soft wash system. I noticed some leaks, drop off my trailer, and that's it. So like I said, I'll post some before and afters of both jobs, and see you guys next job.